Hi, in this presentation, I'm going to tell you about endangered animal, in specific uh, of the giant panda bears. Continue. Okay, who are who are the giant panda bears? Is a mammal. Is belongs to family bear. How are the physic? Okay, they physically physically they are a large hair. They have a lot of black and white hair. Hair. The hair around the eyes dark, always dark in the eyes. Um, uh, Also, they only eat bamboo, only bamboo, only eat bamboo and some fruits. In uh, Casuality, they prefer sugar water. In the studio in China, they give the beer sugar water. Okay, why why are they in danger of extinction? Well, because only some only live in China. They have lost more of their habitat. They have adaptation. They have problems in adaptation. For example, they only eat bamboo. They don't produce very easily, and they are hunted. Mm, Uh, Also, um, actually, there are only 2,000 copies birds for the first pandas. Okay, why should they be protected? Because they are very few. They can't survive on their own. Um, and they must be cared for natural reserves. How and this is all. Thank you. Goodbye.